Hi, it's me here from the Vlog Academy, and today I'm really excited. The little geek inside of me is coming out because I've just received my new BOYA wireless microphone system that works with Apple phones. So I'm going to try it out, and it is really convenient to have a wireless phone for your smartphone when you're vlogging, because it's easily done that you are pulling away and all of a sudden, yeah, exactly that happens. So cables are always in the way, and a wireless system is just going to be absolutely amazing. So I'm literally just going to unpack the box and we're going to see what's inside. So come with me. So this BOYA wireless microphone comes with a nice case to travel with, and let's open it and see what's inside. I've got one transmitter and one receiver. This is what we have. We need to get this open. So both the transmitter and the receiver requires one AA battery. I usually use ENELOOP because they are just really good quality batteries and they last longer. So in we go, just one battery each, and then we need to get back the cover. That was all easy enough and no problem at all. Okay. A little bit stiff plastic, but that's all fine. So on both the transmitter and the receiver is an on and off button. I can't see any blue, well, there's a blue light, which hopefully means that it is charged up. And then on the transmitter we have a volume button up and down, and so we do on the receiver, strangely enough. And then we got line out and we got a microphone in on the transmitter, and we got line out and headphones on the receiver. So the cable I'm going to choose is the one with 3 lines in one end, because that's for iPhones. And here is the microphone part, and we also have the little crocodile clip that clips onto your top, and a little hat for the microphone. So let's see if we can get this on. And then we have the actual clip, which actually needs to go above the little head. Okay, so we're kind of clipping on the protection hat as well. So this one goes into the transmitter. Microphone, should be the microphone. And then this one, line out, is for the receiver, which is the smartphone. So then I need also an adapter that fits with my iPhone 7. Okay, so I've now transferred myself over to the wireless microphone system, and I'm going to walk away from you so we know that it's actually not the phone microphone that is picking up my voice. And I actually don't know if you can hear me now, so we're going to have to see if it works. I hope so. So I'm going to leave you and I'm going to take a little walk around the place and see if you can still hear me. I hope so. Can you still hear me? Because I'm actually out in the kitchen now, and I know that this is good for 15 meters of radius, so hopefully you can still hear me, and in that case it is rather glorious. So I'm coming back again, and that's it. Did you hear me? Really pleased with how that works. I'm very happy to recommend this BOYA wireless system. It's called BOYA and it works both for smartphones, Androids and Apple products, and the larger DSLR cameras with 3.5mm jacks. So as always, if you have any questions, just put them in the comment box below. And if you want to learn more about video blogging for business, then follow us on the Vlog Academy channels online on all social media around. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.